is not hobby. We fight diseases with these small things. Lemon. If a woman suffers, how do you call it, menstrual pain? What is medicine? You take hot water like tea, hotness, no? Then you grind lemon. You grind garlic. You mix with it. Then you add lemon. And you add activated charcoal to it. Then the woman takes it. Give the woman 1 hour, vanish. They can't activated charcoal. Charcoal prepared from any edible plant. Akutu, mango, neem tree, ne charcoal, jabidie. Powerful medicine. Now you say jabidie medicine. Hey! Yade nkwansi wa na fridge no ni ho no. Yade nkwansi wa na ebu bidie atum. 1 week nkwan ne mpro. Yesi bidie no eye adsorptive. When we say something is absorptive, it can attract poisonous substance into it. It will not enter into any absorptive. Absorb just a bit so kuno, but absorb just a chinetare ho. To the whole West Africa, the whole world, upeni pe kita. Why the most white teeth here? Yen. If it's a sabe near the charcoal the tricky yes, charcoal the body to yes, say fe. So 2 doctors from America came to do research here. Now I'm person who didn't hear yes first, the whole world, West Africans. And no who say because you used to takocha, sapo, any chiwi stay so could ya and a charcoal abrofono. There's a whole document on it which has been published in a renowned health journal in US. Abrafo 2 American professors. It omo pewe bia omo be package chiwi steak any takocha e dia kwa brocha mo yusu. To the whole world, West Africans, Gambia, Ghana, Nigeria and others. Yen yesi efe and yesi strong. The retention of our teeth is 99.8%. We can grow with our teeth because we use takocha, chiwi steak in sokoduya and charcoal. And then I see a near BNT Piagunchain. And now fake toothpaste from China, fake toothpaste from Jamaica, Malaysia, a gukrum. What did you say? I started pro because Ghanaian FSO Koskua, Adiabia Yankupon the Chanibia useless or copy white man. That is why we are suffering today. But as a Duncan Yankupon says, school Yankobi and Kabahaya Kakra. And non chese menko practice ade be kumisa. So I go the African way. I use chiwi stick. I use charcoal to clean my teeth. Me charcoal dem the brush in the bone nam dey twi. When mu more that today a lot of people are suffering from bad breath. Okasa pene na numbon. MP minister obia because of what we are eating. A ferment wo yeyam. Eto okasa pene pie. And we don't use some of these things. Eti lemon. A glass of warm water with 1 lemon. Chigum na no me hade. What that was so obi ka kiro say ebeye we say the person is a liar. It helps the system. So charcoal, lemon, dandelion, then moringa, the next one. Moringa tree no bebre obi. What do you put run on one nom. Tetenenom. Open so in powder. We dry it in a room and put sunshine. And you dry no there no be a ceiling fence so dry no one can so blend it. What's a teaspoon na dey go warm a glass of no one nom. Obema why sexually weak or take moringa powder for the next 2 weeks here. Masa matas en krema. Nyame de cheye minim broni bia. Udu Medina na Medina Estate in front of the Action School Lady Biton Health Products or Kobusa no every month what the moringa powder 10 million worth emane white lady be America. The white lady came to Ghana and was suffering from diabetes. And the lady gave her moringa powder. After taking the moringa powder for 1 month, the lady realized that there was sharp improvement. She went back and requested more. Now the diabetes is no more. She now prescribed it for a lot of people who are suffering from diabetes there. One saw improvement. So now, no, every month, the lady will send 10 million and they will bring down the money. Moringa powder is here, every house. Those days in Volta region, when a dog is giving birth and it becomes difficult for the dog, they will mix moringa, give it to the dog. After 5 minutes, Volta region. So they call it magic plant. Every house they will plant it around the house. They were using it for BBR. You go to northern region, that is what they use for their food. They use it for tosafi green. And my way is strong. Not this chemicalized food. You say fried rice, chicken. The chicken coming from Abrochi is poison. That is why Professor Kosa, this document, Daily Graphic, Friday, October 5th, 2007. What did he say? Was say I will ban turkey tail. Professor Kosa, when I become a president, was he already president? I already can't ban a turkey tail. Fat content is 30%. Poisonous. When they hatch the egg here, they will now inject the egg with growth hormones. After 1 week, the fowl is like this. You bono a drobi, you the one any 1 week you know what to say for commercial purposes. Now the chemical near the injected no, it can easily settle in the tail where there's enough fat. When they settle, so the chemicals will go and settle in the tail where the fat is more than 30%. So when they kill the fowl, the turkey, they will now cut the tail and send it to West Africa. Monye na monye. Mona mo pe bibiawu. And pounds some of the buy when you get to Sawam with the yam. Now the most dangerous aspect of it is say they will dye it with color. That thing is not good. Then you dye it with color. And the yam too, you dye the yam. Many sanene. Nobody is talking. So was it last week when the Food and Drug Board came out vehemently on them? What did they say? Food and Drug Board so abane. Almost someone panic. And one of the mama. That is Ghana. But I warning to you because listen to Professor Kosa. Professor Kosa warned that diet which contain fat increase the risk of prostate cancer and therefore advise against high intake of such fatty products. The number of prostate cancer deaths in a given country directly correlates with the average total calorie from fat in that country's typical diet. According to him, the disease which affects the urinary tract in the human system mostly affect the elderly who were above the age 40. Adding the disease is the second large cause of death from cancer and in men of all ages. So he therefore advised Ghanaians to avoid consuming turkey tail and eat more fruits and vegetables. Professor of medicine, chief pathologist, when somebody dies, they take the so-called post-mortem or autopsy. They'll take a specimen of the person's body, send it to Akosa. Then he'll go to lab with machines to look for what killed the person. And according to him, those who consume turkey tail, when they die, you see, say, they are distant, fresh, you know, red, dark, red. And the lab will show, say, because of the turkey tail. That's why he came out seriously that I will ban turkey tail. Ghanaians didn't understand why a doctor is saying this. It's not doctors no more fear. Omaka obi amua. Ono na ye doctor na wu a o kire de kun. And wo wusa de kun krofo ba ko ne turkey tail. E mamanfo nya prostate cancer. Prostate cancer se be ya yapa se be ma. Wo yire fefefe. Wonya week. Ne de raba ahye wo ye fa ne catheter ne de ahye wo be ma. Ko he wo magu kolebu no. Wo mo ye operation no yearly. Say experts ni fra boche be ka wo ho. Etu kwa obi da list no so be 500 e de raba ahye ne be ma. You find a catheter. Those who are suffering from prostate cancer. Now, young man like you, 40, 50, 60, when you be when you know for fair, near the rubber show where you now over here, the and try a man for so far, or the Yakokolebu excursion. You will like it. It will know your doctor, no, and one said, dear, where Moye. One said, baby, you could see, sir, they are making a coin in a Aduane amekasa meka mempon ne. Enti there was this Kevin Trudeau waka asem bi na another health campaigner Ellen G. White SDF ni bi who dey tell the Ellen G. White ka was through wrong habit of eating our appetite has become perverted. Our appetite demands food that impairs health and causes weakness instead of strength. The disease and suffering that everywhere prevail are largely due to popular errors in regard to diet. Grains, fruit, nuts, and vegetables constitute the diet chosen for us by our Creator. Oduma kuma ade odema say ye ni more eye fruits nut atadwe mo ne cashew nut mo grains brown rice mo ne ade vegetables, any vegetable that you can imagine, including sabolai, jene, very powerful for the body. And no nyankupo si yendi etimi nananu mu otimi twi mako no de sabolai bebre tomatoes no de kinam kakra no de dinaduane wa wie aduane ne ye 80% raw because the sabolai raw, tomatoes raw, pepper raw, bibia raw, apart from banku na yaka no enti aduane ne ye 80% raw, and that's what the body needs. They reduce the consumption of sugar. In our village, Christmas pet and now be no soft drink. They do Christmas as in Kuala no be answer lie. Everybody is sala no I say. What they call you soft drink? What you dia? You say I want to be caught. No, you do. Also what you call the whole year and the 1 year no. What soft drink I want man no Christmas. And then Kuala no go school home bag him. And nothing that Dr. Kwachua say, kids are also become diabetic. Sugar. So I don't permit my wife to give those things to my children. Oh, brother. And you maybe I'm a cut banana watermelon. I dare chani a chuchu container. No, the co school. Akaho. The small boy back home. Or sorry night here, midnight. Da banana. On cat Tampico da. Because he's not been trained with Tampico. What we train the child with? And we knew. Media training me ma pa ba me fie ba hwe wani baje me hada kototo ketuma jagu center table so omo fada because they've not been trained. Me to fruits, banana, orange na yesense mo mo ko school, so they always use the children as example. So since they came to the school they don't fall ill, and now we want to follow the world. Akwada ketu afa na wo body ne head o ko school Tampico chocolate toffee aye bag ne ma edo so che books no. No, it's very serious. Oh, I was here the patapasuya dibi. And your system on that ho. Enti elenje watitio was this food prepare in as simple and natural a manner as possible are the most helpful and nourishing. They impart a strength, a power of endurance, a vigor of intellect that are not afforded by a more complex and stimulating diet. Persons who have accustomed themselves to a rich, highly stimulating diet have an unnatural taste. It will take time for the taste to become natural and for the stomach to recover from the abuse it has suffered. Then you listen to Luigi Conaro. One also say the body could cure itself if the individual corrected his daily habit of eating and living. This is the key to longevity. Whatever pleases the palate must agree with the stomach and nourish the body, or whatever is palatable must be equally wholesome and nourishing. It is impossible to be a perfect doctor to another. A man cannot have a better doctor than himself. We don't allow the world to deceive us. If we are saying penfaso, omu peska, asemo obeka obechi watum. Yen kwatitela no ne ade yen hwe say ye den na nkofo mbobom agi. Omu nyini sa. That's a simple question. Enya magic. They check their diet. Apart from say who did natural food, you know, me when he say who did after sex. Edu baby ye nyame adwuma no. Ya na ye yakoye say ye kwa asore ya mpontem. Oh, say amabahai. Me free ha. Me program time asunti me start program on my FM. Me pon 6. Manisha Makati Hill Pentecost. Omubusa busa omo question na me pon na about 10. Me pon ade asa me nidi. Full stop. I will eat. Go and ask your grandmother, say, a boss says I know mudidia. A boss says now quacoto vegetables, yes, ideas are bonus friaco. Okasa meto oil, yes, ideas are go. In my village, a boss says I want fufu. Yet tis a would draw your pine. Yabakaso aye jibo, bo, or your bay for. No siabona for bay for. It almost says no beyond a dear. After sex, they don't sell palm oil. They don't sell vegetable. After sex, no sales of anything that will help you to cook. They were using that to control night eating. Medical research actually say, who did this sex here? The food doesn't digest because the body cannot release the enzymes that the body needs for digestion. So after sex, the production or the release of enzymes in your system comes to a halt. So after sex, no eating. What is happening today? 11 fried rice and chicken. 12 o'clock fried rice and chicken. Eti amasa besebe yadeɛ bi doctor no bɛyɛ oh obi bɛka sɛ doctor hwɛ me system mu a wɔhunu hwɛ wahwɛ me mogya mu a wɔhunu hwɛ ɛnso me yare. The next one, ice water. We drink cold water. We don't drink ice water. We drink cold water. We don't drink ice water. Fatu tiri musa. Eti dia me nana no ye ne se wo wahina. Okonsu ogum. Na egu ahina no anu ankasa na kye na ye cold no anom na ade ye. Ye nche no. Eno ni cold water. Ice when you free the freezer man egu nanum na ne John nyire ho ye ne ya. Medical research say a core system mu a shrinke blood vessels no. A shrinke no. It for some minutes na moja ntimi move. When it continues that way, it will affect the blood circulation and you are preparing your system to stroke and heart attack. Ice water. Ice water. The money a dangerous kura say ye di gu sa sachet num na wi aboso a the chemicals in the sachet will leach into the water. That one to another trouble. So your grandmother will put water in a pot. Ehina no abua so ye punu mu ye de abe ewura gu jam na de abua so na bam mefe no de so na gum medicinal ena hede ye sachet water Professor Frimpong Boateng prove Ghana Standard Board for nyina prove say sa rubber na ye de heat gum no ye de niam gum wi aboso a chemical bi wo rubber no beba nsuo num beba duane num it will affect you. It is our polythene no rubber no anopa na yato kokoni asagum ni achecha na yese nufo no ofe obo nsa be ma bi kita ne bag kama ehwe ho na subia be koko ehyem koko awaje ahyem eti heat no ebe ma rubber no poison na leak aba kokonum eti Professor Frimpong Boateng ma warning say people who do that should stop because you harm your system. Ye nananom anya saa okoto duane ya tiegu anwono mu no ye duro eti aduane hiti koma na twe abam eating and curing your body of disease anwono mo yes civilization on ba bia lead yeko China for na yes smart say what their tradition says they will never change it despite technology eti nekra na China they continue to use chopsticks to eat atrebe na China for ntimi but they use chopsticks. Yet the yesi ani bie pena de boy na ya ato nchen ne akofa ne beku yan angono mo na de chichire duane no it's medicinal. So when you put hot food in it here na twe medicine na bam. Our people were clever, they were health minded. It na ye de se wo mo be yare obeno menkan bayire bode onsensene na watwitwa scientific research ya proof say bayira ne cover no menkan ne cover no medicine wom eto no ane sa na atwe akwaduane num eto mu di kan no awia sa no mo hwane ho na eduro na wura duane mu dada Nigeria do mo sensene a wo mo ntu ne wura ne ngu no ma ahohoro ho no ma ablende no ma yende ye de aka eba ye de yetugu. You see it, our grandfathers were wise. That was why they were strong. Oh, you can live more than 100. Kumasi Adum, I was staying in the house with the man. The man was 90 years and gave birth to the last one called Kojo. There be an boys in Huru boy no. O papa kokora obe wu ajaw. O papa kokora obe wu akokora ba. Na ire no so obi o 90 years no aware 40-year-old woman. One na anyem Kojo. Ya wo Kojo. Enkwada dia akokora ba o papa be wu ajaw. Kojo enyini ye. He came to Legon, computer before their father died. Old man, ne ba na nyini beto no. Aduane no mudini. Nyame ache ya de. Yesi be ma abrofo dada ya. Na se kwa de research bi beto me kan me stress ah. World Anti-Doping Agency. Omo president ya friend Jacques Rogue. What ya de bi o de baaye. O say Sebase ko Olympics game wa Africans no they perform. obo so mo tumrika na Jamaica ni di kan oh na Kenya ni toso first second fourth are Africans those in the diaspora in Africa Jamaica 43 odi ani pa na Kenya ni toso anom say enkofo we da na ba mirikatu a omo ye gudu sa omo tumrika omo mre yenti ase and almost started some more research afane out say why because African yes come ni wo hia na da na ba mirikatu dia e say kanafo yi omo yo mutiti sa ayon long distance wudi agomba te wakoma ti Kenya ni ba na Jamaica ni toaso Africans now Olympics game